I'm starting to figure out I ain't where I want to be at in life. It's because I'm lazy, bro. I'm lazy, bro. I can be putting so much more time in making music, gardening, you know what I'm saying? Uh, so much more time in designing clothes and all of these things I know I'm slacking in, but I don't do it because I invest more time in women. Most of the time, I'm investing a lot of my time in women or video games, sad to say, or uh, uh, I do a lot of other stuff like I put a lot of time in building my house. I'm not gonna say I'm just this complete lazy person because I'm not. I do invest my time in some good areas, but I can honestly say I am somewhat lazy because I ain't where I want to be and where I'm passionate at. Like the music thing, like the producing, I should have been, bro. I should have had almost 100 beats by now. I should have been had a whole crop, a whole acre crop of watermelon or strawberries or all this stuff I should have done. I mean, I'm talking like I'm 80 years old. You know what I'm saying? Which I'm not. I'm talking like I'm 80 years old. But so I still got time to do everything. I am, in my early 30s. So I feel like I'm running out of time. That's how I feel. But I still got time. But yeah, man, one of the things I want to do this year is to get out of that procrastination and get out of that laziness, man. I wanna accomplish everything I want to accomplish this year, bro. I'm done waiting. I'm done procrastinating. The time is now, bro. So I got this 60 day crop challenge and a 60 day beat challenge. I'm making one beat a day, and I'm gonna get a whole acre of soil delivered. I'm finna make a whole crop, and I'm finna do a whole, and I'm doing the green acre. Y'all go to my YouTube, cause that's what I'm finna do. I'm finna do the YouTube with the gardening, with the crop, and I'm finna do the YouTube with the beats. So y'all, man, y'all tune in, man. Y'all go follow my YouTube. Go follow my YouTube. It's Green Acre Farm uh and Homestead. And go follow my my beat page. It's Let's Eat Beats. And we're gonna be doing live and do a lot more videos. That's another thing. I'm supposed to have more videos. I ain't doing the videos like I'm supposed to. I'm starting to see I'm lazy, bro. Cause I can be. You know what I'm saying? I'm blessed to the point where I don't have to do a lot. But I don't want to be like that. I want to do a lot. You know what I mean? I want to do a lot. So like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all support me, man. Black people need to support each other, not just black people, everybody, just anybody, man. Just support your boy, man. I need support. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stop procrastinating. Take it from an early 30-year-old. Stop procrastinating. Because once you get to your 30s, you're going to be like, dang, I got to speed up. You're going to be like, dang, I need to speed up. Stop procrastinating. Get it done while you can. Get it done. That way you don't have to worry about it and you where you want to be. Stop procrastinating. Don't let drugs hold you down. Don't let women hold you down. Don't let video games hold you down. Don't let people hold you down. Don't let yourself hold you down. Go get it, bro. I'm telling you, because you don't want to be early 30s or late 40s or 50s and be like, damn, man, I ain't even did nothing I wanted to do. So take it from me, man. Let's go get this money, bro.